In this SiteGround coupon code video, I'll be providing you with a SiteGround discount so you can save money on your SiteGround web hosting purchase, plus get a free domain name. To take advantage of the SiteGround coupon code discount, just click the link in the description below to be taken to SiteGround so you can get up to 83% off your web hosting purchase, plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from SiteGround at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome SiteGround discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be taken to the SiteGround web hosting page. You'll see you get SiteGround hosting at a discount for as low as $2.99 a month. Click the Start Now button or scroll down and you'll see the SiteGround web hosting plans. You'll get 83% off the startup plan, getting web hosting for just $2.99 a month. The Grow Big plan, you'll also get 83% off, getting hosting for just $4.99 a month. The Go Geek plan, you'll get 82% off, getting hosting for just $7.99 a month. When it comes to getting the best value, the Grow Big plan is a great plan to choose as it comes with 20 gigabytes web space, unlimited websites with unlimited email addresses, 100,000 website visits per month, on-demand backups, 30% faster PHP, and staging. If you're in need of only one website, the startup plan is a great plan as it comes with one website, 10 gigabytes web space, and 10,000 website visits per month. If you want the most power for your site, then the Go Geek plan is a great plan to choose. It comes with everything the Grow Big plan comes with, plus 40 gigabytes web space, 400,000 website visits per month, staging plus Git, white label available, free private DNS, highest tier of resources, and priority support. Once you choose a plan, you'll be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name. Next, you'll be on the Review and Complete page. If you scroll down, you'll see you'll get the best deal with the 12-month term. The monthly plan, you won't get a free domain name. After you've filled out your information and selected everything, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Pay Now button to complete your purchase. You've successfully taken advantage of the SiteGround coupon code discount. If you have any questions, get in touch in the comments as I'm here to help you with anything you need. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more SiteGround hosting tutorial videos.